I think I'm a little obsessed with makeup primers. No kidding. Once I discovered the beauty of makeup primers, I feel like if you're over 40, if you're over 50, and you're not using a makeup primer underneath your makeup, I think you are completely missing the boat on a beautiful, long-lasting makeup application. I found a makeup primer that I cannot wait to tell you about. I have done other videos on makeup primers. I've talked about makeup primers several times before, but I found a wonderful makeup primer that is cheaper than what I was using. It's still pretty clean and it's under 10 bucks. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40, women over 50 who just want to look and feel their very best. Today, we're talking about makeup primer. I would love to know in the comments below if you use a makeup primer and how long have you been using a makeup primer, if you use one. I went for a long time without using a makeup primer. I'd heard people talk about makeup primers and I was like, ugh, I don't need one more thing. You know how you do, like I am not adding one more thing to my makeup routine. But I am telling you, a makeup primer, if you find one that you love that works, it is a game changer. Makeup primers just make it so that you have a really smooth surface to apply your makeup. It just blurs the pores, it blurs the fine lines, it gives your makeup something to stick to, it creates a beautiful canvas and really makes your makeup stay on longer. It gives your makeup some really just terrific staying power, especially if you're like me. Even at 54, my skin is still super oily, so a makeup primer is a must for me. This is the primer I was using. This is the Timeless Smoothing Primer by Tarte. It is phenomenal. I mean, it truly is an amazing makeup primer. This was a game changer for me. I love it, but at $39 and you get about a half of an ounce, you know, it can get a little pricey. I always got it on sale. Tarte's always running great sales, but I found something that works just as well. You get twice the product. It's a third of the price. I'm telling you, it's amazing. And this is from Catrice Cosmetics. I'd never used Catrice before. I'd never heard of them. I don't have anything from this makeup brand before. This is the Prime and Find Poreless Blur Primer. This is fantastic. By the way, if you have drier skin, they do have a hydrating primer. I can't speak to how well the hydrating primer works. Again, I have very oily skin, but this one is fantastic. I've been using this for about a month now and I absolutely love it. In a few minutes, I'm going to share with you another primer that I tried that I didn't love at all. And this is all just part of my quest to find really great makeup and beauty products that are super affordable, good for your skin, easy to find, and they don't break the bank. I love this Catrice, and I'm going to tell you, you know what? If you have a more expensive item that you love, that you don't want to give up, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just always trying to find things that work just as well, that are a little bit easier on our wallet. So this is terrific. I do not have a before and after of this makeup primer, and let me tell you why. It is completely invisible. If I put this on my skin, you are not going to notice the difference at all. You can feel it. It's very velvety, but it's not like a foundation. It's completely invisible. You cannot see it at all. So really and truly, it makes no difference to do a before and after because you wouldn't notice the difference. And how this works is you start with completely clean skin. So this is going to be step 2 in your makeup process. So you start with completely clean skin and you put on your SPF, your moisturizer, whatever is the first thing that you put on your face, that's where you start. After you moisturize or you put on your SPF or both, whatever it is, then you put on your makeup primer. And you need a little bit more than a pea-sized amount, and you're gonna put this all over your face. On your eyelids, yes, because it will work as an eye makeup primer also. Underneath your eyes, your nose, around your mouth, everywhere that you're going to apply makeup is where you're going to put this primer. Again, this makeup primer is completely colorless. It's invisible. You will be able to feel it. It will leave a very velvety texture to your face. Let that set up for a minute, and then you go ahead and you start your makeup process. You start with your foundation, your concealer, whatever your regular makeup routine is. What you're going to notice is you're going to notice that your skin has a smoother surface. It's just a beautiful canvas, much smoother surface to apply your makeup. So you'll notice a better makeup application, and then you'll notice that your makeup has huge staying power. I think that you're gonna love a makeup primer. If you haven't used one in the past, I think you're going to love it. And how can you beat one that is under $10? I'm telling you, this is amazing. And now I'm gonna show you the one that I tried that I didn't love. If you're enjoying this video and you're finding value in it, please like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, do all of the things, and be sure to hit the bell notification so you know when new videos come out. So I loved this. I will give you a link below this video for this one. This primer's terrific. This is the other one that I tried, and it's called Thank Me Later Face Primer, and it's illuminating, and it's by Elizabeth Mott. I didn't love this. And it could be my skin because my face is super oily. This just felt like another moisturizer on top of my moisturizer. So for me, this was not a winner. I did not like this one, the Thank Me Later Face Primer. It just felt like I was putting moisturizer on top of oily skin and another moisturizer over the top of that, and then foundation. I just didn't love it at all. Didn't like the way my face looked several hours into the day, so this was a miss for me. So I have a hit and a miss. I hope you enjoyed all these. If you did, definitely come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. Go out today and be blessed and do your best, and I'll see you next time.